When I think of caramel apples, I get a warm, cozy feeling. So here to show us how to make some is Chef Joe Lusted. How are you, Joe?
Hi, I'm great, thanks. Great to be here. And we need to get started right away.
All right.
First, take 4 medium Granny Smith apples, washed and dried, and put wooden skewers into the tops of each apple. Now put unwrapped caramels into a 1-quart saucepan along with the unsalted butter and evaporated milk. Warm over medium heat, stirring frequently. Once caramel is fully combined, remove from heat, dip and twirl each apple until the apples are completely covered with caramel. Immediately sprinkle the apple with finely chopped chocolate crunch pieces and ginger candies. Let the apples cool on a parchment-lined baking tray for about 30 minutes. You can enjoy the apples that same day or store them in a sealed plastic bag at room temperature for an additional day. You can find this recipe and more at betterlivingtv.ca/in the kitchen.